This is the Middle East. It is very in this hot, dry land. This creature, known as the Arabian bird, manages to survive in this difficult environment. These birds have a wonderful solidarity and cooperation among themselves. They do most everything together. Includes washing themselves. After while the birds dry their wings, they also clean one another. Important for their health. Without worrying or enthusiasm, they groom one another. Among Arabian birds, there is division. For example, the whole working finds food. Later, the collected food is shared equally. The responsibility for guarding the flock is also shared equally. It takes from the top of a tree. When it comes time to change the guard, the new brings a portion of the food to its waiting friend and takes over the watch. This guard is vital for the safety of the flock. The Arabian guard duty immediately sounds the alarm when danger comes. The whole comes together themselves. They make the enemy uncomfortable and distract its attention. Danger is over, life returns to place. Play with how these birds have a strong sense of solidarity. All animals consciousness. Do these animals keep guard over the you would fly off and find enough food to fill its own stomach. But, contrary to this expectation, it shows great self-sacrifice. Without eating a thing, it does guard duty like a soldier with great determination. Who this? Who commands themselves in danger for the sake of their friends? Only Almighty God, who these little birds created from their sense of community, solidarity, and self